باقيين حيين مسكينين يا ربي. شوفوا واحد الجمال، اول مره في التاريخ تلقى شي. انا بعدا سافرت باش نجي لهاد البلاصه، كاين اللي جميل كاع في هاد الشيء كامل. شوفوا شنو كاين هنايا، شوفوا لي انا جيت على قبل اصلا السردين. لينا راه جايباني هنايا اصلا على قبل هادشي. كانت it was your idea to come here, Lina, right?
Yeah. This is taro.
Oh, what is? Do you know the flavor? Do you?
Yeah, it's
you
okay.
sure? Okay, banana. Get some strawberry so we can try
I
the.
want melon.
Oh, the melon one. I want strawberry too.
You get the strawberry. Can you get the coffee one so we can...
انواع ديال flavors.
I got matcha one. Liam's gonna get these cookies in.
هادو ما عمرني شفتهم. flavors ديال كيت كات حتى هو. حتى الكيت كات فيه الماتشا. دوك هاد ماتشا كيت كات لينا. Yes, hello. What is this, Lina?
Asian food from H Mart.
هذا هو اللعيبات اللي شرينا دوك سناكس ودرينكس اللي شرينا من H Mart.
We got a lot of things though.
Do you want me to grab everything and put it here or like one by one?
Yes, I'm gonna order.
No, it's better to do it one by one.
Wait, tell me first what you're gonna get out first, okay?
I'll tell you, guess what I'm gonna get.
That cake.
Already got too much.
Okay, we can try that. Wait, it's
You want
okay.
a plate for me and plate for Liam. Liamo, come. So أول حاجة راه غادي تجربوا. We tried this one before, right?
We tried the other ones.
لا أنا جربت هذا من قبل. I tried this matcha هذا ديال الماتشا.
I didn't try it before though.
غادي يجربوه ولكن من وراء هذا الشيء غنديهم يحققوا حق شوية ديال الكالوريز.
Liam doesn't matcha.
Yeah, ما عجبوش الماتشا.
But we got you the cookies and cream one. It's okay. You can eat that one. Only both. Yeah. Okay.
Here you go. You want one? Take one. Here, two for Nina.
Let's see. Wait. I'm gonna wait for you. Wait.
And two for...
We get to 9 out of 10. That's good.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, it smells bad though.
ريحة الماتشا.
It smells normal. What do you
It
mean?
smells like white chocolate and white.
It tastes good though. That's good.
ريحته بحال الشوكولات الابيض مخلط بالماتشا. هو غادي يكون نورمالمون هو الشوكولات الابيض والماتشا. واعر.
Those are
So yummy.
These are actually tasty. The overall rating.
How much you rate it?
What's your rate? I rated a 9 out of 10. Okay, you?
9 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Really?
Okay, so this
السعودة على 10 أنا
10 out of
وهي
10.
وهي هذه قالت لك 10 على 10 ولكن راه واعر. أنا عزيز علي أصلا أي حاجة كرانشي. I like anything sweet and crunchy at the same time.
Yes, so good.
خلطوا هنا نخلطوا هنايا. What's next? You want a snack or a drink?
Drink.
Drink?
Oh, yay! Look. Yeah, I'll show them how it works. Wait. Yeah, perfect.
Yes, just
Give
like
me.
that.
I want to show them.
Show them how you open it. Go closer.
Here. So we're gonna. Oh my god! Wait. Oh, I got stuck. Okay, I got it.
البيه الداخل هنا باش تدفعيها بهذه.
Don't tell them.
اوي.
Here, wait. Let me put it on my palm because I'm.
Whoa.
I rate
It's
it.
smoking. Flavor
Good.
هذا. Which flavor is this?
Bubble gum. To me, it tastes like bubble gum.
اللي ما كيشربش الصودا ما كيشربش لا كوكا لا حتى حاجه فيها الغاز ما كيحملهاش.
20 grams added sugars.
Is that good؟ نقولها دائما انك تشوفي الحاجه
Try some,
قبل ما
try
تاخدي
To me, it tastes like bubble gum, but maybe it doesn't taste like bubble gum to you, because it has
ما
different.
حلوش صراحه بزاف. It's not that sweet. ماشي شي حلاوه.
Oh my god! She already tried it and she said it's so good.
البارح ما قديتش نصبر فاش جبناهم. انت اليوم راه جبنا هادشي البارح قلت حتى الغدا ونجربوه ولكن عرفتو هذه عرفتو واش غتكون بنينه. انا راه ديجا جربت وحده راه محلوله وهي مازال ما جربات. You still didn't try it yet. So.
Yeah, and when did I already rate the drink?
Oh, we didn't rate the drink yet.
Okay.
Like a 4.
Really? You say you mean to my drink?
I'm not a fan of those.
There's different flavors, so maybe that one. I rate it my 8 out of 10 because there's other ones I have tried that's more better.
It's called Madeleine. This is like Madeleine. Yeah, I think you're gonna love this one. اليوم غيعجبك. هذه راه ما يمكنش شحال غزاله. يعني عاد فكرتني فاش ما عرفتش واش غادي تعقلوا على واحد المادلينا.
It's good. It smells good.
واحد المادلينا كنا كناكلوها فاش كنا صغار، فيها الفخيز لداخل، كانوا كيتباعوا هكذا جوجات وفيهم فخيز لداخل. عرفتي غير دقتها وهي ضربني ديك النوستالجيا ديال الطفوله. كانت ديما فاش كنبغي نمشي للروض كتديني جداتي الله يرحمها في هذا النهار، كتديني جداتي وكتشري لي شي حاجه وكتشري لي هذيك المادلينا. عرفتي غير حطيتها في الفرن ونتفكر. It reminds me of grandma before she was taking me to school. She was always buying me something like similar. It tastes exactly the same.
That is good. But so good.
ريحتها حلات. I smell it. I swear Lena, it smells just like it. كبيرة فيها الفخيز لداخل وهاد الكريمة زوين، هاد الرطيطبة. Heaven.
Vanish that. It ruined. But
ليا مسألة.
you inhaled it. What do you rate it? I rated it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 ليا، قال لك 10 على 10.
It's kind of sweet. It's kind of like a little bit sweet.
صح. شتي راك فيك وما كيعجبوش الحلاوة، هي حلوة.
But it tastes good. It tastes good.
ما عندوش هو مع الحلاوة، عنده مع الملوحة. قال لي راه حلوة بزاف. أنا 10، أنا مليون على 10.
10 out of 10.
That's good
next.
ليام pick for us this time. يلا ليام غادي
Okay.
يجرب لينا.
Yeah.
Give me. Come say hi. Come say hi. They can see your t-shirt. A Moroccan t-shirt. Yeah, go back so you can watch the camera for us. You pick this one?
Yeah.
I'll tell you
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and
Cookies and cream.
Yes. Okay.
I'm gonna go try some.
One
No, just
more.
give me one. Just give me one. Oh, thank you. This is good. Cookies and cream. It's good.
Not that good for me.
Who's your one?
So sweet. For me, it's too sweet.
What do you rate it, Liam?
You know, 10 out of 10. I love cookies and cream.
What about you? Give me that. I want it.
Me, a 4.
My peach gummies. That thing good.
So the gummies. I don't know. Like that's mom.
Oh my god, they look. Oh my god, that's cute.
فيهم بحال داخل شي حاجة.
It has jelly inside.
فيهم داخل شي حاجة. كيفاش مش عارف. I didn't like it. Me no.
What?
I'm not a fan. I just like مشى.
Okay. Can I really wanted to try that.
يلا. Give me a 9.
Okay, Liam wanted to try the chocolate one. He does not like vanilla.
My second favorite was that one.
It's milk.
Sweet.
هذه ديال الحليب. كيجيو مقطعين ديجا. It's already cut.
We have.
Give me. I want my cream.
Wait, do we have a fork?
We have 4.
Can you give me my plastic fork, please?
And we have
I think this kind of tastes kind of good.
وهذه اللي اختار لي ديال الشوكولات. How much you rate the white one?
1 out. 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. How much you rate that one?
10 out of 10.
10.
Wait, Mom. Look.
قلت لك زيديني من البيضة. قلت لها لا ما غاديش نزيدوك. يلا ندقوا هذه دابا. Chocolate one is good. How much you rate the chocolate one?
0 out of 10.
Really? He picked this one. نوبت ليام باش يختار. How many flavors? There was a lot of flavors.
There was banana and there was green tea. That was it.
Oh. حسحين. Crunchy.
I don't want one.
You don't like these?
No, it's fine.
One for Liam, and I'm just, if you don't want it, just we can share one, me and you, because I don't want to open all
You
of
want
them.
the first bite?
No, you don't fold it.
So could it's inside?
It's like an ice cream cone.
It's like ice cream cone. You want me to have one? Right, first. بحال ديك الباستا اللي كتكون في الايس كريم بحالها نفس المذاق والشوكولاته لداخل. Okay, so is it Lena's turn to pick? What do you want to pick? Please, Lena, pick the
What
milk.
milk?
For the flavored milk.
Okay. Roll one. This is the strawberry one, and this is the banana one. You want the banana one?
No, we're gonna try all of them.
Oh, okay.
ديال البنان، هذا حليب البنان، حليب ديال الفريز وحليب ديال what is that? Taro. Strawberry, this is banana, and that one is
Can I try this one?
I don't think he's gonna like that one. Here, try.
Maybe.
Let me try that one so we can rate it.
Oopsies.
I have to try 3 of them and we'll rate them which one is the best.
Yes.
First, second, third. Okay.
Okay, so this for now me is the first
غادي
one.
نديرو فهاد 3 شكون اللي احسن واحد فيهم.
Oh my god, that's so
strawberry
good.
milk هذا ديال
Can't
الفريز.
taste like strawberry.
اللي كتمشي الشمس.
That's the second one.
Okay.
Can I try that one after, please?
You want to try the banana milk?
Oh, this is sweet. It's too sweet.
أنا قلت أنا my
That's third.
my choice is strawberry first.
Mine is taro first. What's yours?
And Liam? Strawberry. أنا وليهم ديما. And my second is taro and هذا هو آخر واحد.
This is my
First. Second and my third. Lina, she said
This is my first one. This is my second one, and this is my third. Delicious.
هذا خداو بنيته وليد ديال
I
الشوكولاته.
was trying to look for those. Those were my favorite. They were like lollipops. Look at that! Pixie!
ديال البنيته. And this is the
Is this? I think this is
That
chocolate.
looks like
That's
chocolate.
chocolate يا الشوكولات. غتكون كيقطع بالحلاوه، غيكون كيقطع بالحلاوه باينه. Here you go.
Here. You can have it.
I don't want it.
I don't really like chocolate though.
لا انا ما عنديش مع الشوكولاته وهاد plus it's too sweet I'm sure right.
Oh, I love those.
فيهم هذوك sticks.
Okay, Liam, wait.
فيهم هاد sticks.
And then you dip it inside
dip it
the
with
chocolate.
That chocolate?
I think so.
That's it.
Thanks.
I'm بقراتي. Hint
The
cracker.
rest.
The cracker is salty
And then the cream is sweet.
and the cream is sweet. بحال هذا مالح وهذا حلو. لكن زوين. How much you rate it?
For
For me, I like it. I'm gonna give it an 8. أنا أعطيت 8 على 10.
6 out of 10.
Wait, time to make to rate.
أخي ليلي sugar. أنا ناخذ شوية كيك.
But it says less sugar, so it was usually more than that. Okay.
Good.
It's good.
Yeah, that's
It
good.
tastes like
Refreshing.
What's that?
oh, it tastes like something I drank before.
A little bit soury for me. It's a little bit soury and sweet.
That's okay.
It's good.
Yeah.
It tastes good. Well, البيض. See, it's white. The drink is white.
But it tastes like strawberry.
For me, it's 8. حيت فيه الحلاوة بزاف. It's a 8.
Wait,
But it's
you
too
never
sweet.
control.
Yay, my sushi.
السوشي ديال لينا فيه سيادي كراب افوكادو سالمون افوكادو
Yes.
سالمون افوكادو سوشي.
You have to put it like this. See?
Wasabi is the other thing.
Yeah, I know.
It doesn't come with any
There's-
wasabi.
No, it comes with wasabi, but you can put it on. It's optional. Take the first bite.
يلا سيري. You rate it.
Be careful. Delicious.
Hello Kitty.
Pick this one. It's boba.
هي مختار هذه. It's بوبا. هذا البوبا تي ديال براون شوجر. ويا اختي مسكينه هي زوينه. ما حطيتش كلشي الفليفرز حيت جبنا بزاف ديال الفليفرز ولكن ما حطيتهمش.
I'm gonna try it first, okay? Oh, that tastes just like the cafe when we used to go to. It tastes just
بحال
like
داك
that.
اللي كناخذو في الكافي ديما. Sweet. Also sugar.
28 includes 24 grams of added sugar. We always look at the ingredient.
What does it mean when it's a big list of ingredients?
That's nutty, not good.
Not another
Matcha.
كيجي معاه هاد straw.
I'm the one who said we should do.
كنضو بزاف، مرة كنضو مرة ما كنشدو، ما عرفتش. So much.
Let's try them.
That's it.
Okay.
It comes already. شتي كتحيد هذا ولكن كاينة
Oh,
ميكا.
that's smart.
That's smart. شتي كتحيد الفوقاني.
So then you can just put.
ولكن باقية هذه.
Let's see. Oh,
تموت على الماتشا لينا. She loves anything with matcha. DNA from Asia. Let me try this.
it's so good.
ماتشا حلوة. It's like sweet matcha. أنا ما عنديش مع الماتشا حلوة بزاف.
The ingredients is small.
Ingredients بعدا ما دايرينش ليستة كبيرة، دايرين ليستة صغيرة. What are the ingredients? That's it. Everything is done. What was your favorite one? Everybody gonna pick one. أنا كل واحد غيختار حاجة وحدة اللي عجباتو في هادشي كامل. يلا. Liam, he's gonna pick one. I'm gonna pick one. Lena gonna pick
Also,
one.
go with you. That's right.
I have to.
I know.
Of course.
هذه هي أحسن وحدة أنا عجبتني.
Because it used to be from the side.
It's similar. It's not exactly, but
You go now, Liam.
okay. I'm gonna put mine here. This is my favorite. Lena. Lena, of course, غادي تختار sushi.
I know.
Lena's favorite is sushi. What about Liam?
It's the cookies and cream. My favorite.
هذيك هي
I'm eating sushi.
هذه أحسن حاجة عندي أنا عجبتني. لينا of course راه تموت على السوشي. وليام عجبوه دوك البوكي ديال كوكيز اند كريم كيشطح. هادشي هو الفيديو ديال اليوم. المهم دابا غادي نديهم يحرقوا واحد شويه ديال الكالوريز باش يحرقوا هادشي اللي كلاو. What you want to say to everybody?
Bye everybody. And it's food tastes so good.
This food tastes so good.
Go buy some food at H Mart.
H Mart.
delicious.
Oh yeah, the H Mart. كدير لهم publicity. Lena, you're promoting for H Mart. كدير لهم انت publicity. يا هذا هو الفيديو ديال اليوم. نتمنى يكون عجبكم. يمكن اللي جربوه مع وليداتكم وديروا شويه ديال الفن ودخلوا شويه ديال الفرحه على قلوبهم. صافي هذا ما كان الفيديو ديال اليوم. ما سهله. لينا هي كملت السوشي ديالها. And see you in the next video, guys.
Bye. Bye.
من بعد ما كلاو كاع دوك السناكس جربوا ليا كاع التشاينيز والكوريان سناكس وضربوا الكالوريز جبتهم لهنايا باش يحرقوا. هاد البلاصه زوينه، عرفتي راه كيعياو فيها وكيشبعوا عروقات كيحرقوا الكالوريز مزيان. ديك البلاصه تما ديال الكره كيبقاو يلعبوا واحد الكره تما في الترامبولين. راه هي لينا نيس جالسه كتلعب. علينا هادي واحد الحمقى هادي لينا. وكاينين حوايج وحدين اخرين هنايا. هادي سلايد. How was it? Okay, go again. وعاوتاني كاينين حويجات هنايا كيبقاو يتعلقوا فيهم. المهم بحال الورك اوت ديال الدراري الصغار غير بالفن. فيها هاد تشالنجز اندور بلاي جراوند. شوفوا كي ولات. You burned a lot of calories. عرقات